I, Fatma Masood, along with my team member Isha Tahir, under the supervision of Mr. Muhammad Ramzan Malik, have decided to develop AI-based web application. Healthy eating is a way of life, so it's important to establish routines that are simple, realistic, and ultimately livable. NutriDiet will not completely replace the nutritionist, but it will try to satisfy all the user's nutritional needs. It will generate customized diet plans for arthritic patients and diet plans for heart patients. Moreover, it will provide services and diet plans for diabetic patients, pregnant ladies, and diet plans according to body mass index. Its main focus is to generate diet plans by taking into view the variables that affect the nutritional needs of human body. We have tried to develop a website with user-friendly interface by adding a content in attractive presentation. To run it on web, we have used Python and its modules, and to deploy it on local hosts, we have started Apache and MySQL to avail the services offered by NutriDiet and generate customized diet plans. User will provide specified login credentials or he can register himself to log into our website. After logging in, user can scroll and redirect from one page to another, and he can contact us by using his name, email, phone number, and can send his message by pressing send message button, and the message will be stored in our database. We will use machine learning to automatically generate diet plans. Basic languages and modules for front-end development are HTML, CSS, and JS, and we have used Python with its module like Flask, MySQL, and SQL Alchemy for backend. To develop our website, we have used Sublime Text 3, Visual Studio Code, and XAMPP Server. Thank you so much for watching. Regards, NutriDiet.